Welcome to our channel. Netflix allows account holders to create profiles for family and friends. Here's how to share access without giving out your password. Step 1. Log in to your Netflix account through the Netflix website using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Manage Profiles from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Add Profile to create a new profile for the person you want to share access with. Step 4. Enter a name for the profile and select appropriate content maturity settings. Step 5. If creating a profile for a child, enable the kid's profile option to restrict content to age-appropriate titles. Step 6. Save the new profile. It will now appear on the profile selection screen when logging in to Netflix. Step 7. Have the person you're sharing with log in to Netflix using your email, but they'll select their own profile from the profile screen. Step 8. Note that this method works within your household. For sharing outside your household, Netflix may require additional verification or subscription to their sharing plan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.